everyone, this is me, Martin Versalus. How are you doing? Today we are gonna cover the replacing the strings on the guitar. I got a broken string here. I don't know if you can see it, is there. Sometimes they become invisible. Well, to take action on this issue, we don't need the guitar plugged, and we need a table to place it. And now I'm gonna show you the best techniques ever on the internet in replacing the strings of your favorite model guitar. In this case, it's my only one model. It is called Aurora, the Crazy Queen, and it's just been nice with me. Unfortunately, the bar got broken about 3 weeks, and I replaced it by some other ideas I got, because the story is very long and very, very boring. You don't want to hear it. Alright, so I'm gonna show you how to replace the strings. First of all, you need your new set of strings here, Fender. I'm using 12s to 52s. I like heavy stuff. Alright, so we need a lot of patience, because this is like tomorrow will be the best day to replace the strings. I swear to God, I'll do it tomorrow. Go home, guys. Go home, guys. It's time to sleep. Go home. Bye. Thank you for coming by.